Hey everybody, today we have a box of 2018-19 Panini Prizm. This is a full retail box, 24 packs. They do guarantee one autograph, 12 Prizms, and 12 retail exclusive inserts. I have opened a couple of these from last year and have not had a lot of luck. One box I had a lot of luck. I'm hoping with the changing of the year that maybe I'll get a couple of Prizm rookies, but I don't think that this rookie class, at least for now, I know it's not considered nearly as good as last year's. So we'll see. Let's get into it, see if we can pull a couple of rookie Prizms anyway. Alright. What is it? Okay. I was trying to check out, I don't know if you can see it. There's a stripe pattern here. I'm already putting fingerprints on it. DEVONTE Graham rookie. And Bender. It's my first silver. I don't know if there are coaches cards in this. I hope there are not. Brogdon is my autograph. That was quick. And Gasol is my next parallel. Bridges rookie. Freshman Phenoms, Wendell Carter Jr. DEVONTE, I guess. Oladipo, Freshman Phenoms, DeAndre Ayton, and Brandon Knight. It's funny, it has the rookie pattern, but not the rookie designation. Not sure what's up with that. Vucevic, Allen Iverson, Hall monitors. So we have a green coming up. It is a Luka Doncic. It is a rookie, at least. We have another green coming up. It is a Dominance Julius ERVING green. Kevin Herter, whatever, rookie. Have a Diallo silver. So there's a silver rookie. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know, still don't know my 2018-19 rookie class like I should. What does this say? Oh, get hyped again. This is Ben Simmons. I'm really getting tired of Panini recycling their insert sets. I mean, do they need some ideas? Because I can give them some, for real. There's a Grayson Allen rookie. Bill Walton Dominance. Emergent Colin Sexton. Have a silver Jimmy Butler. And there's Reggie Miller. Make some room. Oh, I can't wait to get my little filming area set back up correctly. Now it is everything's a mess. Reggie Miller, Dominance. Another rookie, Chandler Hutchison. So that's 2. Plus the green. Emergent Zaire Smith. Miles Bridges rookie. And a John Wall green. Alright, freshman phenom silver, Jaren Jackson Jr. That's not bad. Grab these last few packs. I don't know if I'm going to do a hobby box of this. I don't love basketball like I love the other sports, and the price of the hobby box of this stuff already came out pretty high out of the gate, and I'm not sure how they're justifying that being that high straight out of the gate, but I don't know. I got to think that one through. It just doesn't like get me as excited as football and baseball do, so I don't know if I want to pay that much. Especially last year's, I got sucked in to that rookie class and really, you know, admired them and still do, and I was really excited to buy a lot of that stuff. But this year I just don't know. There's a Bagley third, Thonmaker silver. There's 3 rookies in that pack. I'm already spread so thin as it is. There's a Robert Williams III and James Johnson red, first red. Gary Trent Jr. That I probably should really just focus on baseball and football. Zaire Smith, freshman phenoms. I don't know. I just love cards so much that, and I really want to get into basketball. I guess I need to watch some more games, but with football still kind of going on. Robinson rookie. Bogdanovich red. Maybe when football is like over, I'll turn my attention more to basketball. Tim Hardaway Jr. green and Hutchinson rookie. And our last pack. Can we get one more silver here? Just one more. Guess not. It is Grayson Allen, freshman phenoms. And that is it. Little Brogdon rookie, autograph silver. A couple of decent parallels. Here's some of the better stuff. I've got to get some gloves for opening this chrome stuff. I think on the whole, without knowing this class as well as I should, I think this is a decent box. Get these silvers and sleeves and holders. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back with, I've got some more basketball stuff coming up, but mostly some more football, so watch for that to be posted soon. Alright, everybody take care. Bye.